Good evening, everybody. Compulsory mathematics. It is for all school level. Algebra. Algebra, arithmetic, geometry, and statistics are the four main branches of compulsory mathematics. Today, we are dealing with only algebra. Although geometry, arithmetic, and statistics are very important in our life, but algebra is the most important branch of mathematics. Its main scope are matrix, to find matrix problems, relations and functions, series and sequence, in trigonometry, in statistics, to find the unknown frequency and unknown mean, any unknown quantity, to factorize the given expression, to simplify the given expression, to find the ages of persons, to find highest common factor, to find lowest common multiplication, to solve the problems or to solve equations, single equation, double equation xy, and triple, having three variables like x, y, z, and in derivative or differentiation, antiderivative or integration, coordinate geometry also, to find the distance, to find the equation, and for real analysis, especially in a college, real analysis, without algebra, we cannot solve any problems. So, algebra plays a very great role, even in trigonometry. Question number 1, very simple question. Solve cubic root of 4x plus 2 equals 6. B number, 36 minus 4 by 2 plus root 36 equal 2 minus root 3x by 2. A, cubic root of 4x plus 2 equal 6. There is a cubic root. We have to reduce this cubic root, not squaring, cubing both sides. If there is 3, write cubing both sides. If there is 4, you have to write raising the powers by 4. 4 hataउने, to remove 4. Raising the powers by 4. Like, like 5 x equal 5 power 4. This raising the powers by 5. One example. If there is 5, you have to write down raising the powers by 5. This 3, this up, this down, 3 cancel, 4x plus 2 equal 6 cube. It is 6 into 6 into 6, 216. 4x equal 216 plus 2 becomes minus 2. 4x equal 214, or x equal 214 by 4, or x equal cot by 2, 107 by 2, or 53 whole 1 by 2. Answer. Hello. Solve 3x minus 4 by 2 plus root 3x equal 2 minus root 36 by 2, or 2 square is 4, root 3x whole square is 3x. 4 is the square of 2, 3x is the square of root 36. So, you have to change into root 36x whole square minus 4, 2 square. 2 to the 4. If there is 9, 3 square. 16, 4 square. 25, 5 square. Upon there is plus, you can write root 36 plus 2. Here, 2 take 2 LCM, 2 to the 4, minus 2 minus root 36. There is a mistake. If there is minus, so use a bracket. Or a square minus b square is a root 3x plus b. B is 2. A plus b, a minus b, upon root thrice x plus 2. Cancel like terms. Here 2, 4, minus plus minus, minus minus plus, or root thrice x minus 2 equal 4 minus 2 2 plus root thrice x upon 2. Now cross multiply 2 root 3x on like terms, 2 to the 4 2 plus root thrice x or 2 root thrice x minus root thrice x equal 2 plus 4. Collecting like terms, root 3x, like term 2 and 4, like terms 2 root 3x, root 3x equal 2 plus 4, 6 or root 3x whole square equal 6 whole square. Then write squaring both sides. Squaring both sides or root 3x and whole square cancel. 3x equal 6 6 36 or x equal 36 by 3. Therefore x equal 12 answer. Just you can check. 12 3 are 36. 36 minus 4. 36 minus 4. 42. 2. 12 3 are 36. Square root of 36 is 6. 6 plus 2 8. 8 4 are 32. Here also same. Here. So x equal 12 answer. Then, question number 2. It is related to the law of index. The main formula of law of index is x to the power minus m equal 1 by x to the power m, and take LCM. Given condition a plus b plus c equals 0. Prove that x to the power a inverse b inverse into x to the power b inverse c inverse into x to the power c inverse a inverse equal 1. How to prove? Solution. Given condition is a plus b plus c equal 0. To prove is x to the power a to the power minus 1 b to the power minus 1 into x b to the power minus 1 c to the power minus 1 x c to the power minus 1 a to the power minus 1 equal 1. Left hand side. Just write down the question. X is inverse b inverse into x b inverse c inverse into x c inverse a. Just by apply the rule, x a inverse is 1 by ab. A to the power minus 1 becomes 1 by a. B to the power minus 1 becomes 1 by b. This using this formula into x to the power 1 by bc into x to the power 1 by ca, because x to the power minus m equal 1 by x to the power m. Minus becomes plus. Minus a to the power minus 1 becomes a to the power plus 1. Similarly, now what to do? X common base. X 1 by ab plus 1 by bc plus 1 by c. Reason? Because x to the power m into x to the power n into x to the power p. Base, same base, different powers are there. All the powers are added. All the powers are added. Now take LCM. AB, BC, AC. ABC, AA 1, BB 1B, CNC 1C. AB, divide LCM ABC by AB, C comes. Divide ABC by BC, A. Divide ABC by CA, B comes. नेपाली AB ले यो ABC लाई डिभाइड गर्दा C आउँछ माथि लेख्ने, BC ले गर्दा A आउँछ माथि लेख्ने, CA ले गर्दा B आउँछ त्यो B माथि लेख्ने. Equal x to the power a plus b plus c. This c plus a plus b, just using the commutative rule, that is 0 by ABC. Because A plus B plus C equals 0, given x to the power 0 by something is 0, x to the power 0. Since x is a real number, x to the power 0 is 1. Right hand side, 2. Again, finally, if A plus B plus C equals 0, prove that x to the power A inverse B inverse into x to the power B inverse C inverse into x to the power C inverse A inverse equals 1. Solution: A plus B plus C equals 0. To prove, write down the question and write x to the power minus becomes 1 by AB into x to the power 1 by BC into x to the power 1 by CA. Use this formula, law of index, x to the power minus m equals 1 by x to the power m. Now, in the multiplicative form, add all the powers, x to the power x, same base. If the base is same, add the power. If the base is not same, there is x, if there is y, if there is z, don't add. Same base by journey, x to the power 1 by AB plus 1 by BC plus 1 by CA. ABC is the LCM. Divide ABC by AB, C. C plus BC, A plus CA, B. A plus B plus C equal 0. That means C plus A plus B is also 0. Commutative law, like A plus B plus C, B plus C plus A, C plus B plus A, C plus A plus B. You can write in any form x to the power 0 by ABC. That means x to the power 0. 0 by something, 0. But something by 0 is infinite. X to the power 0 equal 1. RHS proved. X is a real number. Since x is a real number, not zero, non-zero number, the answer is 1. Can also be asked, if A plus B plus C equals 0, what is the numerical value of x to the power A inverse, B inverse, x to the power B inverse, C inverse, x to the power C inverse, A inverse? What is the real value? You can write one answer. Value 1 answer. If what is the value? You write value 1 answer. So here instead of RHS proof, you can write 1 answer. But here question is prove that you have to write 1 right hand side proved.